Hello honeys, I'm Arisana. This is your trigger warning and welcome to The Real Woman. Before we get started, make sure you check out the description for links to my blog, Instagram, and Tumblr, where you can find most of the makeup and also a few answers to some questions about these videos. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the notification button to know when I upload again. So let's get started. Today for makeup around the world, we're going to France, a country with borders at the Atlantic Ocean, English Channel, and the Mediterranean Sea. First thing I do before I do makeup is apply BB cream and lotion, and lotion should go first if you do this too. Especially if you use powder foundation, it really helps prevent the appearance of dryness and just keeps your skin feeling better. Usually I would apply foundation as close as I can to my natural skin tone, but for this look I used some foundation a few shades lighter to give my skin a more fair appearance, as most native French people have. And after that, I use some light translucent setting powder to give it a doll-like finish. Make sure to blend it into your neck and collarbones as well, so you don't have a two-toned look.
Facile à dire, je suis gnangnan, et que j'aime trop les blablabla, mais non, 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 c'est important.
I'm starting with my eyebrows, which I usually do, mostly so if I have any fallout from the brow makeup, it won't fall and ruin my eye makeup. Unless it's being used as some kind of statement, most French people keep their eyebrows very natural looking, and unlike the past, they don't keep them very thin. I'm going to use my brow cream/gel, which is pretty close to my natural brow color, to keep it looking totally natural but a bit more intense. Getting started with the eyes, I just use my finger to apply the base shimmery type cream color. I don't know the actual name of it, but I call it unicorn color. Of course, you can use a brush if that works better for you, but this has always been fine for me. Next, I apply a deep tan color to the center and outer corner of my eyelid and blend it in towards the inner corner until it's blended even. Then I apply a mix of medium and dark browns just on the outer corner and blend it into the center. After it's blended nicely, I take a smudge brush and use the dark brown to make a crease in my lid and blend that out until it's not a harsh line. It's a pretty common theme in France that if you're not going all natural, that most of them keep very light amounts of eye makeup and tend to keep the bright and boldness to the lips. Then I add just a bit of eyeliner for definition and keeping the ends at a very small cat eye shape. As well as adding a bit of black eyeshadow to give it more of a smudged look. Next, I add some white eyeliner along my waterline to give the illusion of a little wider doll eye. After this, I add some more of that shimmer powder to both the inner corner of my eye and along the underside of the brow. And I apply mascara just to the top row of lashes. I only have one kind of mascara at the moment, but I would suggest one that gives a lengthening effect as opposed to volumizing or thickening. Onto the lips. I was gathering inspiration not only from the modern French style, but also back to the Moulin Rouge with very bright and defined makeup. So first, I outlined my lip shape with a nude pencil. On the bottom lip, I kept with my own natural shape. But on the top lip, I brought the pencil close to my lip to make it appear smaller and accentuate the Cupid's bow shape of the lip, making the point at the top quite pronounced. When you finish that, make sure you blend the pencil in your foundation well until it's all smoothed out. I also set it with a bit more of that light translucent powder. Now it's time to apply some super bright red lipstick. This color I'm using is actually called Alarm, and for good reason. It's a very attracting color.
On ira écouter Harlem au coin de Manhattan, on ira rougir le thé dans les souks à Amman, on ira nager dans le lit du fleuve Sénégal.
Make sure on the top lip you stay inside those lines usually. It'll give the illusion of a very relaxed and even drooped bottom lip, which is quite popular in French culture. After the lipstick is on, I also used a bright red lip gloss, mostly in the center, and blended it outward. And last but not least, a good amount of blush. One thing that can separate more natural look and more glam look is a blush that adds a reddish or pink color to your cheeks. Reddish blushes give the appearance of a more flustered and almost childlike look compared to oranges and purples that look beautiful but are also less natural. I use it not only on my cheeks but also a bit on the T-zone and down my neck. Modern French people are generally very minimalist when it comes to accessorizing their outfits. I opted for just my natural hair and some pearl earrings, but anything that's not too attention-grabbing will fit this look. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and learned something new. Are you from France? Did you like my inspired look? What would you have added or changed to make it more fitting to what you know your country is? Comment down below. Subscribe for more. Hit the notification button for updates on my posts. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Et nous sommes la mer. Vous êtes les saisons et nous sommes la terre. Vous êtes le rivage et moi je suis l'écume. Vous êtes les étoiles, nous sommes l'univers. Vous êtes un grain de sable, nous sommes le désert.